Here we have a Jet 8" by 13" Elite horizontal bandsaw. It says 115 volt, 1.5 horsepower. It is unused. It's got some shipping distress. We'll show you that in a moment here. It's most importantly, it does operate. It operates very well. And go to the control panel here. We turn on the pump. The pump does operate when the saw kicks on. We check that, make sure that works. We got an e-stop here. Pull that out, turn it back on. This is a variable speed. It goes from 80 to 310. Here's your coolant pump system. And it has a hydraulic down feed, and that's adjustable. And as the head comes down, there's a micro switch in the back, and it shuts the machine off. So there you go. In any case, we mentioned that it does have some shipping distress. Well, first of all, this the blade guide. Well, there's a slider bar right here. Well, it's cracked in half. So that will definitely need to be replaced, as well as the scale here. If you want, you could probably maybe straighten that out and fix it again, or you just get the whole new scale and slide bar. And then you have a blade guide on one side. This one's okay. And here's your other blade guide right here. I'll show you. Just that arm itself broke off. Okay, and the knob was bent. All right, that goes on the other side here, and that of course is adjustable also. Okay, so those two components will definitely need replacing right there. Also, there's a few little scratches and dents on this cover right here. This was a little bent, and we tried to fix it. We did a pretty good job here. Some of these knobs right here are bent. This one right here. That side is a lot better than this, of course, but yeah, strictly minor cosmetic. There's a small dent right here on the junction box cover for the motor. And there's a little dent right here and a little paint scratch on the coolant trough right here. It appears that maybe some freight fell into this machine. Okay. So other than that, it's got a few little minor cosmetic paint scratches on the base. Okay. But all the electrical and mechanical functions operate very well on this machine. Of course, again, there's a couple little paint scratches on the motor shroud. We checked everything out here. I'll lift this back up. Here's your vise. It's a quick slide vise. It comes out and you just tighten it back up. Alright. So it does include, here's your leveling bolts for the feet here. Alright, and it does, we printed out a instruction and parts manual so you can order parts from Jet. Of course, this swings back and forth. This is your control panel. You swing it all the way to the back here, like so. And we thank you for looking at our product.